Wait for it.
Hey, it's David. What's funny?
How excited you looked. So we have Super Nintendo mystery box from Walmart. This is the last one in the store. We waited forever to get it. Do you want to open the thing?
Yes.
Alright. Do you want me to show what's in it, or do you want to open that part too?
I want to open part 2.
Dabomatic over here. Can't see it. Can you see? Dave, can't see it on the...
Yo! I'm gonna get that for... Wait. Gift card code.
No, that's just the code to go on there.
Why'd I say gift card?
I don't know. You're silly. Watch out for your uncle's phone. Again, you got that 50% off thing.
We got player 2.
Alright, what do we got? Hold on to that. So we got Nintendo plushie. Plush. Alright, what you got?
Bag for the SNES Mini.
Alright. It's got... It tells you right on the back. Super NES control deck. And it's got pocket there. It smells unpretty.
New smell.
And pretty good space in there to put the mini in when you get it. If you get it.
Easy peasy.
But it's in front of that.
What we got next?
Game Boy. Power.
Is a mug, and when you put something hot in it, I guess maybe something will come up on the screen. But it'll make something come up when it's hot.
Can I go try?
Not right now.
Do you want me to do the rest of the box, or while you try it, or do you want to do the box first?
I want to do box first.
Alright.
Okay. So.
We have our do not eat packet in here. No. But this someone's not gonna need it after he... Can I show the other thing? This?
Yeah.
So, then you got...
Can you get me my Zelda sword?
Coin.
I don't know where it is, buddy.
And it says Nintendo console box. He's the scissors, that's what he's talking about. And on the other side, it just has a, what do you call that?
That's a D-pad.
D-pad?
Directional pad.
Sorry.
D-pad, directional pad.
My ignorance is showing.
Your age is showing.
It's a nice weight.
Directional pad, D-pad, directional pad. Directional pad.
Pretty cool. They have a 1 on them. I'm not sure if that means that there's going to be others, but we shall see. And David's got that other item open. Then there are 2 other things in the box.
Anybody want to play some Nintendo? I've got Super Mario.
These are coasters, and they're nice. I mean, they're cork, but they're laminated on the top. That one's.
I got Super Mario Bros.
Mario.
3.
Mm-hmm. What else you got?
Duck Hunt. And Metroid. Anybody want to play? They come in a cool box.
One, like the game case.
Alright, there you go. Got 2 more items in there.
Those are
Yeah, but this is like a really
You
reinforced
got the
one.
book.
good handy dandy notebook.
The book. The book.
Notebook.
There's
And
a
it's
mystery item.
actually... Huh?
What's
Here's
the camera looking at?
the mystery item.
If I remember correctly, it's got grid.
Oh, it's a pen.
It's got a grid in there.
It's a pen, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Dave loves pens.
And it is a pin, and it's got the 2 things on there, so it'll be harder to lose. David loves his pins. Alright. So, while I go over everything, you're going to go put something hot in this,
Yes.
so we can see what it does. Please be careful.
Try hot water for now.
And that's what I was planning to do.
Good job, smart boy.
So we'll put everything else back in the box while he does that. It's like, yeah, I mean, this had a 1. Did the Zelda have a 1 on it?
Yeah, the Zelda has a 1 on it.
Yeah, so maybe they're gonna do
One every year
one.
or something?
Yeah, maybe they'll have different series. Maybe like number 1 is the. It just says Nintendo console box. Doesn't specify. I guess we'll find out. And then we've got. Because I shoved everything. I don't know where his little squishy went, but there's the bag.
That's cool.
And I don't know where his squishy went. Oh, I hear it.
Huh?
It's a little.
Oh, it's a wallet? Rupee wallet.
Well, it says rupee wallet. It's
Yeah.
just a figure of a rupee wallet. But
Yeah.
the little controller is really, really detailed.
Got nice stuff in it, huh?
And I guess David's getting some hot water put on there. But it's a mini backpack. Yeah, oh, it's nice and padded. So of course he's gonna want the mini console, which because he collects gaming systems. I'm sure he's gonna. Now let's just hope that he does not spillate onto the computer, because then you'll hear Auntie Judy have a little cry.
No. Oh, about the computer. Didn't probably just hear sizzle there. It'll be gone. You don't hear any screaming.
Sizzling.
What's
It's got a green screen.
that? Oh, cool. No, not over the computer.
Let me say, don't worry, I got it. So
Tetris?
it's just got a green screen.
There's a little.
Touch your
And
finger to it.
it's just I guess it goes back to black, but it just turns green.
And it has the red battery indicator.
And the battery indicator. So yeah, it changes a little bit. But I'm sure David's gonna want to drink out of that like constantly now. Now that it's clean. Alright. Be careful with it.
Should we open the other one next, David?
And
Yes.
alright, go put the water out of that and put it in the strainer.
Can I take the plastic off it?
So that is that. And David's gonna go take care of that. And that was that one. And we have the Mario box, so we'll do that one next time. See ya.